Hey guys, Mrs. Talk Techie here, and for today's tip and trick is using stacks to organize your desktop. For all our MacBook Pro users, this is a great feature that came out back with Mac OS Mojave, and ever since it came out, it really has been a lifesaver when it comes to productivity. And what it does, if you notice to the far right, I have all of my documents that I'm using currently that I have saved on my desktop nice and neatly stacked. So it is really a great feature that has become so beneficial and so handy. If you notice, these are stacked up under images, my PDFs, my presentations, some other, and screenshots. And really what it does is that it organizes them to these stacks, right? And so if I click on images, these are the images that I have. If I click on PDFs, you're able to see all of the PDFs that I have so far. In addition, you can also, if I go back to PDFs and I hover over it, and with my two fingers, I'm able to kind of swipe through them. I don't know if you can see that they're changing, the name of the documents are changing. I can actually look through them like that and then click on it and it'll bring up that file as well. So let me just show you what it would look like without this amazing feature, what my desktop would and used to look like. And so all I'm doing here is I'm right-clicking, two fingers on my trackpad, and I'm going to uncheck Use Stacks. Really, that's all you're doing. And there is that crazy, chaotic mess of what I used to be before this amazing feature, Stacks. And so as you notice, it's so easy to use, such a quick, easy tool that's going to help us really organize all our work and have us use this more efficiently, right? And so what I'm going to do is, all I'm going to do is double click or right click on our desktop. So two fingers, right click on the desktop, and I'm just going to click on Use Stacks. And so it automatically, by default, sorts them into their own stacks, which is by kind. And what I mean by kind is what kind of document, what kind of file is it? Are they images? Are they PDFs? So it automatically does that. For me, it works. That's how I want them. However, you might have a different need. Maybe you might want them stacked differently. So you can customize that. Again, you're going to do a two finger or a right click on the desktop, and you're going to go to Group Stacks By, and you can change what you want them grouped by. You can also sort them by your tags that you've tagged those individual files by as well. So, and there's other options, but really my best option has been by kind, and it has worked beautifully, and it's just so beneficial. I really do hope that you guys take advantage of this really neat tip and trick if you're not already doing it. But please let me know if you need any help doing it or if you have any questions. Have a good evening, guys. We'll see you.